Hi, my name is Michael Gallegos, and I will be your instructor for MAT153 Web Design 1. And in this course, we're going to give you an overview of what web design is, starting with what is a web designer, how do we start, how do we get online, how do we get a website online quickly, and then we're going to go over and look at coding, what do we need to know about coding to start with, and then talk about the aesthetics of design. So we want to look deeply into the design aspect itself and how we communicate our designs, and then providing user experience fundamentals to make sure that people that come to our site are going to stay on our site and get the information we want to give them. Now, this is going to require planning, and we're going to learn how to use Photoshop in this class in order to create a design. We're going to look at type in Photoshop, and we're going to look at grid-based design and responsive design. And then towards the end of the class, we'll be looking at some basic coding in HTML, CSS, and jQuery. Now, this class is going to be a combination of an outline, a textual outline that I've created for the class, and then you all watching videos to kind of fill in the blanks and to give you some visual aids, which I think is better than just sending you to websites. In this course, we will also be using Photoshop CC or higher. So as long as you have that version of Photoshop CC or higher, then you're going to be all right. If you need to purchase it, here is where the website is for Adobe's Creative Cloud site, and you can purchase only Photoshop for $10 a month. Now, if you can't afford that, you have access to our lab, which is in the Digital Arts Center. As long as you are local, you can come and use the lab at your convenience. If not, then you're going to have to purchase the software. And again, the cheapest way to get it is here through their site, and it's an annual plan where you pay $10 a month for Photoshop. So the first thing that you're going to do is read this syllabus, and you need to read it carefully, and you need to make sure that you understand it completely. Part of the orientation assignment that you're going to be completing this first module is to email me and tell me that you read and understood the syllabus. So make sure that you do. Everything is listed here. Now, within each weekly module, we have the content and activities for the course. So if we click on orientation, for example, the first module is the orientation module. The first thing that you want to do is watch the video that's in the module. So each one of these modules is going to contain an embedded video right in the middle. All you got to do is click on it to play it. And it's going to tell you what you need to be doing for this particular module. Now, there's also going to be 3 sets of activities for each module. You're going to have a read set, a watch set, and a submit set. So read, you're going to have some materials to read, of course, some online materials. It could be on the website here or links to other sites. So for this particular module, I'm going to take you to my website so you can look at some of my images and look at my website. And then also our department's website. So on this website, you can see what other students have done and the type of work that we do in our department. So make sure you look at those for both inspiration to see what we're doing. The other thing that's in this module is submit. So you're always going to have something to submit in each module. In this particular module, you're going to have an assignment and you're going to post a discussion. So if we click on the assignment button, it's going to take us to the assignment section of Canvas. You're going to choose a topic. For this class, I want you to create awareness of a solution to global warming. And I have provided a website, drawdown.org, that you can get information about what these solutions may be. I want you to choose something that you feel passionate about. So if you do that, then you're going to have much greater success creating a website that communicates well. So I want you to create a website using this topic, which means for all your projects in your class, you're going to base them on this topic. So everything that we do in the class is going to be based on this topic. I also want you to write a paragraph that explains the topic you have chosen why you have chosen it, and what are some potential problems regarding this particular topic, and what some potential solutions might be. And once again, this is something that you're going to refer to back throughout the rest of the course. Please let me know immediately if you have any questions. No, you can't choose anything else. You have to choose something that's on this website as far as a topic goes. So, for example, if you wanted to choose the topic reduce food waste, if you go to the Drawdown website, there is a lot of information about what reduced food waste can do to impact global warming. And there's different scenarios, and it talks about how much it'll cost, how much it'll reduce, and so on and so forth. So you can go here, get some information that will help you frame your topic and create your paragraph, and provide you some more information on what some solutions may be. So right here is your inbox, and if you click on this inbox here, it's going to give you the email app part of the website. All you have to do is click on here, compose new message, and then you select the course if you have different courses in here, and then you click on here to select two. So if it's to me, one of the teachers, there I am right there. You select me, you type in a subject, you type in a message, and you click send. So it's that easy. Okay, the next part of this particular module is to post a discussion. So if you click on, again, the link there, it's going to take you to the discussion section of Canvas where you're going to post a discussion. So tell us about yourself, answer these questions here, and then post a picture of yourself. Now, in order to post the picture in a Canvas discussion, you actually have to upload the file in Canvas. And in order to do that, you need to go here to your account. So if you click on Account in Canvas and then you go to Files, you can then upload a file here and then attach it in the discussion. So I'll show you how to do that. If we click on Upload, we can find a file here, any file here. I don't think those are going to be the right file format. Let's see if here we go. Here's a JPEG here. So we'll open this file, this image here. I think it's going to be super large, but that's okay. And now you can see here, it's uploaded here in my files. So now when I go back to the discussion here, I was saying attach before, but you're actually going to embed a file. So that file that we uploaded into our files in Canvas, we want to embed it in here so everyone can see it. If we attach the file in order to view it, then everybody has to download it in order to see it. And that's not really easy to do. So we want to embed it. And the way we do that, we can type in whatever we want here. And then this little button here is embed image. If we click on that and then click on the Canvas tab, there is the file that I uploaded in my files, and click on that and then click on update, and it should be embedded in there, which it is. And then just click on post reply, and there you go. So 10 points for putting a picture of yourself in here, another 10 points for answering the questions, and then another 10 points for sending me an email saying that you read and understood the syllabus. So please let me know immediately if I confuse the hell out of you, and I'll try to unconfuse you. But if you have any questions, let me know immediately or get a hold of the tutor, and we'll get you straightened out. All right, I hope you enjoy the course.